How you guys doing? See ya!
Alright, what's up guys? Swag to the wheels here. Back with the monthly uploads. Today we're gonna be having a little bit of fun. We're gonna figure out how to get this two-step real gnarly. Got the car warming up. Bringing my laptop. Swaggy wheels here.
Yo,
We got Varen winning right here. Backyard garage. We in the backyard garage. Right now, Varen's about to use the timing light.
Yo.
Gotta get this ignition timing on point, and then after that we'll go to the launch control settings.
Yes, sir.
How does that work? I've seen that. Like, how does that work? Does it just like sense it or something?
Yeah, it picks up the electricity and then it just runs to this, and then that's when it flashes.
Yeah. Okay, so turn her on.
Yeah, sir. Oh wait, we gotta push this out that way because it's gonna be killing us all. It happened to me before.
So we're having an issue. The exhaust literally is aimed right at your face where you're supposed to check the timing. I saw my one-wheeler on the ground. I saw my one-wheeler on the ground. The tire mark.
Oh yeah?
You didn't see it?
No.
Yeah, there's a pretty long tire mark over there. Yeah. So I'll put my little burnout I did right here, right now.
Fucking swaggy wheels.
But I saw it when I pulled up. So yeah, it started like right here. You can barely tell. But then down there you can definitely see it.
It's going smoke though. It's going smoke.
Yes, one wheel, that one front right wheel likes it. Yeah, and I got these brand new tires in case anybody thinks my tires are bad. These are brand new tires spinning like crazy. Whoa, okay.
As you can see, has some exhaust
That's
soot
a
in there.
muffler right there.
This is what I used before.
Bruh. Yo, we gotta get the two-step going through that, yo.
You probably pop that shit up.
Alright, let's get her on. It should sound way different.
Okay, if you look in, you'll see a mark, and like every time it flashes. On the flywheel.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, so now we would loosen these and then mark it up and move this back and forth until it lines up.
Okay. So it's a little, it's like barely off, right?
Yeah, slightly.
Slightly, okay. She's just leaning on the a little tight.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Huh?
Sounds a little different now.
Yeah.
Sounds a bit smoother.
It lines up perfectly right there.
Tighten it.
Yeah, wait.
Alright, so ignition timing's on point now. Sounds a little bit smoother. Good latch. Two-step to 4,500. Increase the fuel enrichment to 100. So remember what the thing said that I sent you. So basically, he said bring it to your like desired RPM, and then whatever that ignition timing is, you want to figure out how to get it to 0.
Oh.
And then if you want more boost, you add more fuel. But he said to start at 200 or 300 fuel enrichment.
Damn.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
that's a lot.
And we had like 100, right?
100. Yeah. We'll figure this out.
You wanna give it a quick one?
Quick one. All right. What's that set to right now? 145, -20. All right, let's see. let's get 4,000 to work.
Right. Let's go for
Alright, so we're gonna go for a little drive. Test, see how she's feeling. That felt smoother.
Alright.
It's recording?
Yep.
She's starting to break up now. When she gets hot, this is what happens. Normally. So we just gotta figure that out.
I think we should go home, let her cool down a little bit, and then
probably be fine.
Yeah.
We coming, boys.
Hey, how you guys doing? See ya. Come on, girl, that right there.
Out. They did a Huey.
You did?
No.
You fucking with me, nigga. Don't give me heart attacks. Better chill.
Let's see if I can get her in without turning it on.
This is eco mode, guys.
Eco mode. See the battery lights on because it's battery only right now.
Yes, sir. We hybrids out here.
We got this, we got this, we got this, we got this.
Not bad, not bad. Alright. You just did that shit from far as hell. Nice.
Zero oil pressure. Alright, so we let the car cool down. And now we just let it warm back up a little bit. And now we're messing with the two-step. So we just put in some new settings that we looked up. Did a little research and let's see what happens. Testing. Nothing. I should have raised it a little bit. 45? Yeah. Set the activation to like 43? Yeah. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
Yeah.
Got something now, boy.
So maybe we should drop the fuel a little bit? Or nah?
You think that's too much boost?
Nah, actually. I mean, I don't know. You actually gotta do that and launch it one time and see how the car reacts.
Well, this is more for like the show. Like
okay.
The pop type 2-step we're going for right now.
So maybe more fuel to get some pops, some flames.
Yeah, put a 230. We got 230 fuel enrichment. Timing is -30, 4,500. Let's see. 1.3 now. 1.3.
Oh, look at this guy. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, you wanna go somewhere?
Yeah, I'm down. You want to?
Where though?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. I don't know where to go. 4,500. Yeah.
So we're just in a different location now,
Yup.
testing around. Let's see.
Went to Mexico.
Bring it back to 30. So what do we have? We hit it at 30?
30 and 200.
200 when it made 3 pounds.
200. There we go.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
you heard the blow off valve.
It was going up and boost.
Maybe we should just find a new spot. Yep. Up the RPMs?
Maybe.
Yeah, I feel you. Nah, let's have something planned first before we bug out.
Oh shit. See the new Insight?
Oh shit, this looks like an Accord. Kinda. A futuristic Accord. Well, there goes some air for the first time.
Carry that for good.
Good catch, good catch. Back in business.
That.
But we have to. Alright, go ahead. I'll tell you after this.
What else?
Huh?
We have to what?
Go back in this video because I could have swore like while it was saying overboost, it was saying 9.5. Like, it was really 9.5. That's something to look for when you look back. Of the fires,
I don't know.
just in case. That sounds rowdy.
That sounds mean. Hit almost 3. If I would have held it longer, I probably would have went even more. One more time?
Yeah.
ECT's a little high. Soft ground. Let's turn the 2-step down to 48. And call it 2-step.
And activation at 4.6. 6.
One test.
Yep. All right, we got it. Great way to finish it off. All right.
All right, go ahead. Ridiculous, man. Go ahead. Dude. All right, my boy, I'm gonna hit you, yo.